How does a honeycomb rack differ from a plug-in rack? Designed to accommodate various storage and retrieval requirements, both honeycomb and plug-in racks serve as efficient solutions for profile storage. The honeycomb rack, however, shines in environments where individual or loose piece storage and retrieval are necessary. Its design incorporates cassettes that provide superior selectivity for accessing different profile types easily. This makes it an ideal choice for operations requiring high levels of organization and quick access to specific items. On the other hand, the plug-in rack is better suited for bulk operations, where profiles are stored and retrieved in bundles, offering a straightforward bulk storage solution. The honeycomb rack is notably more compact, designed to maximize space utilization with an impressive area utilization rate of approximately 90%. This contrasts with the rollout cantilever rack, which typically necessitates an aisle width of about 1,400 millimeters, leading to a lower space utilization rate of around 55%.